And so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 3-pack of USB-C 20-watt power adapters. Gotta love strong 20-watt power adapters. These will charge your iPad or iPhone or Android phone or whatever you plug into this much faster than a regular 5-watt or 10-watt power adapter would. Nothing really around the box, just some specs on the back with the model number, the TB-20 watt, and then the sticker on this side. So let's take a look at these. 3 of them are in here. Mighty small box, so they should be pretty small as well. Oh, they're stacked on top of each other. Okay. So we can pull out all 3 of these. Nothing else in the box. And it looks like they're just encased in a little bit of plastic, which due to how hot these may get, please remove the plastic before using these. So with the plastic off, you have a very nice shiny power brick with a USB-C port right on top and just a standard American outlet right on the bottom. So as I mentioned, you get 3 of them. You cannot beat getting 3 of these. Then you have 1 for yourself, 1 for your wife, and then a bonus one for someone else. So thank you all for watching. Thanks again to this company for sending these to me to unbox and show you, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.